I needed a HDMI, and then I went out and I was looking. $5. I can either get a 6-foot or a 12-foot, no brainer. And then the 6-foot, we're only 1080. The 12-foot is 4K, UHD compatible. 48-bit, deep color, high definition multimedia interface. Ooh, nice. And for $5, how you gonna beat it? Why ain't this coming out? When it doesn't work, just rip it, right? I can't understand. I used to work for the largest marketing company in the history of the planet, and they would actually put some, hey, you could have a 6-foot or a 12-foot. I would love to see the sales data on how many 6-footers they sell that only do 1080 compared to the 12-footers that do 4K. It's like you're getting twice the bang for your buck. That's a long cord. Alright. Thought you might be interested in marketing. And then here's the back of it. I'm not going to read it. It's in 4K. There, read it yourself.